Bike's upside down.
Bianchi. What are we doing today?
This thing's bent. Found this bike, it's all fudged up. This thing's totally bent.
We gotta bend that back in.
So we have a crowbar that we just have lying around and a C-clamp. So we're just gonna.
We put a little electrical tape so we wouldn't ruin the paint.
Paint's fucked, but whatever. Now we're just gonna see if we can bring that back. You see, tightening it. See if we can bring that back. You know, someone just left it for dead. Some crackhead. Now we're gonna bring it back. See, it might just shifting a little bit, but is it moving?
Yep.
Ooh, slipping. We gotta slide it back down here. And cut. Well, let's see.
And we're back.
And we're back. Now we're just slipping, so now it's more centered right here.
It's coming back.
Is it coming?
Yep.
There's a crowbar bending.
Looks like the crowbar is bending right now.
Oh, the frame.
No. Looks like it's just a crowbar.
Oh, nothing smashes in our face.
That would not be good.
Nope.
It was pulling out in the beginning. Oh yeah, it's bending. It's coming.
Why don't we just leave it for a second, let it.
Then that's a cut.
Yeah.
Restoration 101. Bianchi Hillbilly Asian salvage bike. Bianchi salvage Hillbilly Asians, bending out a frame, putting this beast back together. As we're working on the Bianchi bike, hillbillies need to have energy.
Yo, 6 feet apart, bro. Yo, 6 feet apart.
We need to have energy, so Matt has created his own yogurt in an Instapot with the granola and honey.
Yo, 6 feet apart. You're killing me.
And we're gonna eat it.
Yo, you're spraying your virus, bro.
6 feet apart.
Thing's got a lot of pressure on it.
When releasing the C-clamp, watch out for your fingers, because there's a lot of pressure. There you go.
A lot of pressure?
A lot of pressure.
Yeah. Told you.
Look how straight that looks now. Pretty amazing.
Straightened it right up.
Look at that.
Straighten it right up. Now we go straighten this. I'm going straighten this. Look at this. It's like a hockey stick.
Yep, that's an illegal curve right there. That's like Yammer Yager.
That is Yammer Yager. It's like Yammer. Put Yammer in your Yagers.
Yammer. Cut. Boom.
Oh.
Look at that bow.
Some crackhead was riding real quick. Right?
But I didn't think he made it to his final destination.
His crack destination? Didn't get the crack that day.
Oh, it's bending out nice. Look at that.
Comes out straight too. Comes out real straight.
Oh yeah, it's looking good. Look at that.
You even see it on film. Pretty much canceled Christmas, eh?
Yep.
Because of this fake COVID stuff.
And what about Thanksgiving?
Oh yeah.
Rolling.
Don't put a piece of tape so don't scratch it too much, you know what I mean?
Because this is Hillbilly Asians, we do a professional.
We do unprofessional job here.
Special shout out to Trailer Park Boys.
No shout out. No shout outs.
You hating on Bubbles?
You wanna hold them? You wanna hold them stick? Don't unleash this. It's a big bend in it.
Oh, this one's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. Crazy old Maurice. You know Crazy old Maurice?
You mean Maury from the Movie Porvis show?
No. Crazy old Maurice. Shit, man. This thing's full. It's bigger than the clamp. You know what I'm saying?
Are you gonna have to grab that bigger one? Or should we bend it down? We're gonna have to do a cut on this one.
Okay, this crowbar was no good there, so we just found a piece of steel. We're gonna find a piece of steel, just like this now. Bend it back.
Look at that, come back to life.
Oh yeah. And then, it's like a freaking D shape. No, twist it. Twist it, man.
We're gonna do some zooming on this.
Oh, I think it's doing it. I think it's doing it, man.
Yeah, look at that. It is bending. You're bending it like Beckham.
Look at that.
Nice.
It's coming back. Back to life. Back to reality.
Is this some soul to soul shit?
Any way you want it. There we go.
I'm gonna do a little zoom in on. Look at that. Look at that. She's coming.
Yeah, but look, it's slippy.
Uh-oh.
It's coming.
Yep. She's coming.
Let's leave it to marinate for a little bit.
And we'll pull out here. Bam. Marination time.
Look at that. Double. This one doesn't have a thing on it.
And we're putting a piece of wood.
Slipping.
And as you can tell, the middle bar is perfectly bent back to shape, Mrs. Bianchi.
Well, you know what? If y'all ain't rich, that's what you do, right? You rich, you just go buy a new bike. But if y'all's poor, as we all are, thanks to Bill Gates, gonna fix stuff. You know what I'm saying?
That's how we do it.
You know what I'm saying, boy?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, boy?
And we're bending out the middle of the frame, getting nice and flat there. Getting the brakes done. It's looking good. Is it back to life?
Nice bike. Here, try it.
Hillbilly Asians final episode. Look at that bad boy beauty that was restored. Looking awesome. Job well done today.
Yeah.
It's done. The
Look.
Bianchi.
Same color as Bianchi.
Bianchi Italian made
Fangulo.
cruiser. Isn't she?
You imagine Crackhead just busted and left it?
It left it. It was going into scrap.
Saved it.
And now it's safe. And
Saved it.
we're out.